Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Why are my salmon patties falling apart? The salmon patties will fall apart if they are too wet. You need enough cracker crumbs to bind all the ingredients together, so that the patties will hold together and not fall apart. 26 May 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Canned salmon is a nutritious choice. Canned salmon is rich in protein, vitamin D, calcium from the bones, and healthy omega-3 fats. Omega-3 fats are heart-healthy fats. They also promote healthy brain development in babies. 27 February 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.